Hello and welcome everybody to Danny's Diecast. I am Danny and I am here today. It's about 60 degrees out right now, 60 degrees. It's partly sunny. Partly sunny, as you can see the gentleman going in and out of my neighborhood. But it's partly sunny, and then we bring you down here to this. This is the LaSalle Bristol coffee cup that I got from LaSalle Bristol. They are a company. We sold parts and everything to mobile home distributors and people that built mobile home parks. Quality committed, and we turn it around this way to LaSalle Bristol, where it says quality committed LaSalle Bristol. That is the company. Now I want to show you to these. These right here are my cars for today. They're my cars just for today. Now look at right here. This is the 1956 Ford F-100 tow truck. You can see it's limited edition down to 9,600. 9,600 pieces. Wow, and these are of course from M2. Now I don't have these out of their cases right now. Now, there's a reason for that. It's just because I just feel it's a little bit better to keep clean, to keep it everything. You know, I might take them out someday. But these are actually my clean carded cars. And I only make about, I only do these with a couple of, and I don't do it because they're precious or brand new at anything. I do it just because it keeps them much cleaner. And you can see right there, M2 right on the top. And these are the Coca-Cola. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to reach over here to my coffee. And I'm just going to take a sip of that wonderful coffee from my LaSalle coffee mug. LaSalle was they were a company that distributed manufacturing parts. They distributed siding. They distributed carpet. They distributed everything, and I worked there. I left there in 97. 97, I was there for about 4 years. But I left in 97, and back to this here. These, I'm not sure if they're metal base or not, but they're, of course, metal body, rubber tires. And this is the next car that I have from M2. These are my Coca-Cola collections. These are, of course, to 96 pieces, and this, of course, is the 1957 Chevrolet sedan delivery. You can see. Now, I'm not sure if those are metal bases or not. I don't know right now, and I'd have to actually open them up and check, which I might do that someday, but I'm not sure. But these are the Coca-Cola trucks. This is the 1957 Chevy sedan delivery truck. And then I come over here to the 1969 Chevy Camaro ZL1. I'm sorry, I would turn you guys around there with the ZL1. And you can see this is metal body. I don't know if it's metal base, but you can see that hot engine right in there. That's the hot engine. Now, I don't know if these are metal base or not. I just don't know. I haven't opened them yet, and I just don't know whether or not they are metal base or not. Of course, the bodies are metal body. And just absolutely gorgeous cars and trucks. My goodness. They are absolutely good. Now, I got these about 2 years ago, but I haven't opened them since. But I got them about 2 years ago. You can see they're 1/64 scale. And that is absolutely fantastic. That's the 57 sedan delivery. This is the Ford F-100 tow truck. And then I want to bring you guys over to here. These are, of course, Hot Wheels. They are Hot Wheels. These are the cars of the Hard Rock Cafe. You can see them right there. Look at all I have the postcard in there, the limited warranty card right there, 90-day limited warranty. I have them still. They are still and I'm sorry about that, guys. They are still, you can see that's the case that it came in. And these are the cars. This right here is the 59 Eldorado. The 59 Eldorado, and you can see metal body, metal base. The hood opens. Metal body, metal base, rubber tires, these are lensed headlights, except for this middle one. I think that is not lensed. But anyway, we'll get to that then. But these have the hoods that open. And you can see the only thing that I don't like about these cars are, of course, the Hard Rock painted on right there. The Hard Rock Cafe is painted on the back end. Now, I don't really like that, but I don't mind it. It's no problem to me. I mean, I just keep them in this box all the time. And then the next car, we have the 1963 Coupe de Ville. You can see metal body, metal base, rubber tires, painted headlights and taillights. And I just want to open this hood there with a very proud engine on the inside. But this is metal body, metal base, rubber tires. And these aren't painted headlights because that's the chrome up here up front. It's the chrome headlights. So these aren't painted. But they're painted, I believe they're painted back here. Let me just spin this guy around and see if they're painted in the back. No, they look like they're lensed. Now, I really can't tell, but they look like they're lensed on the back there. On the back, they look like they're lensed. But then we come down here to the 1959 convertible. And these are, of course, all Cadillacs. All Cadillacs. Let me lift this hood up for you there. That is a sweet, sweet engine. These are, of course, metal body, metal base, rubber tires, painted headlights, or painted, these are all painted lensed tail lights. You can see, look at that lensed effect back there. You can see, look at that. But once again, the only thing I really don't like about these, and they say something on the back, now I might not be able, this says La Jolla. This says Paris. This one over here says Singapore. And they are absolutely terrific cars. Terrific cars. What did you guys find anything this weekend? Yesterday? Did you find anything out on your hard diecast missions? Did you find anything? Leave it down in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe. Describe, I said. That's funny. But anyway, don't forget, subscribe to Danny's Diecast. Check me out on Facebook. Check me out on Instagram. I have my good old-fashioned LaSalle quality committed cup here. And I'll see you guys next time.